Hurricane Idalia struck northern Florida on Wednesday, bringing damaging winds and torrential rain. It made landfall near Keaton Beach in Florida's Big Bend during the morning as a high-end Category 3 hurricane, bringing sustained wind speeds near 125 miles per hour, or 200 kilometers an hour, and a storm surge of 16 feet along Florida's northwest coastline. Due to very warm sea surface temperatures, the storm strengthened rapidly over the Gulf of Mexico to Category 4 status, before weakening to Category 3 as it made landfall. It brought extensive flooding as it passed through and damaged power lines, leaving thousands without electricity. The Florida Highway Patrol attributed 2 deaths from car crashes during heavy rainfall to the hurricane. On Wednesday afternoon, Idalia had weakened into a tropical storm as it descended through Georgia and South Carolina. The storm moved across the coast of North Carolina through Thursday, bringing heavy rain and coastal flooding, before gradually clearing to the Atlantic on Thursday night. While the hurricane is now past, it left a trail of destruction, destroying homes and flooding coastal communities in Florida. Around 150,000 customers were without electricity in Florida on late Wednesday. Around 149,000 were without power in Georgia. The cleanup efforts now begin for residents in the path of this destructive storm.
I'll stay on as long as I can stand right now.
How deep is it?
2 feet.